I'm here to announce the latest addition to the Impossible family, Impossible Pork! The launch of pork is a pivotal moment for us for at least a couple of reasons. First, it's the second completely new product that we're launching. Beef is popular around the world, but in many cultures, the most popular and familiar and common dishes use pork as the main source of meat. So for us to have an impact in those markets, pork was a necessity. Our mission is to completely replace animals in the food system by 2035, and expanding our impact globally is a critical part of that. It's also an amazingly delicious product that consumers around the world who love dishes that are traditionally made with pork will finally be able to serve to their families without the catastrophic environmental impact